this is the edge joining foot with IDF. So this is, I've got a guide in the middle of the foot. So we're going to snap it onto the machine and we're going to engage the IDF and pull the fabric back through the foot. So if we were to now put the fabric against the guide on the fabric, like so, you will find that the needle will come off the fabric. It won't actually be stitching in the fabric. So we need to move the needle across. So I'll show you how to do that. I have my centre straight stitch selected, and this will give me the stitch length and the tension set up here, but you've also got the stitch width button, which at the moment is on 0 because it's a center position. But if we were to move press the plus button, it will move the position to the right, the needle position. So you'll see this line moving across to the right. And if I press the minus button, it will move it to the left. So you can get the needle to exactly where you want it to be. You can also use the left needle position at the top or the right needle position, and that will take it all the way across to the left or to the right. But using these minus and plus buttons, it will move it in a millimetre position at a time, so you can accurately place your needle where you want it. So place your fabric underneath the foot and put the fabric to the guide, and we're going to move the needle position across to the left. And as I press the needle position button on the screen, you'll see my needle is moving across to the left hand side. Okay, when you have it in the position you want it, you can start to sew. And just keep your eye on the fabric and the guide so the two don't part, so you've got a perfect straight stitch. And this will give you a very narrow seam, so you can do pin tucking or tucks or small hems. You can see it's stitched very close to the edge of the fabric, and you can get it very close. So it's great for top stitching shirts, blouses, top stitching around the tops of bags, or anything where you want to get close to the edge of the fabric.